Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create webhook in Discord. So in this case, log into your Discord first, then choose one server from here, like this server. I'm choosing this server, and then you will find here top of the server name. Click here and go to server settings, and then you will find here integrations. This option, click on integrations. Then you can see webhook. Already I have one webhook. If you want to create more, click here. Okay, I'm just showing you for the basic. Go to integrations and you'll find here webhooks. You have to click here, create webhooks. Now a webhook is created. You can see, just if you want to rename it, just click here and double click, rename your webhook like nice bot, nice new bot, or hook. Okay, you can see here your channel. Choose your channel from here. Which channel should be this webhook or bot should be welcomed. I'm choosing this general channel, this one. Now you have to click on this save changes, and you can see here webhook URL. Copy webhook URL. You must copy this. Now open one new server, new tab. Now right here discohook.org, this link. Then you will find this interface. Then you have to paste here the link what you have copied from here. Okay, just paste it and you can just send it. Click on send. Now check, go to your channel and you can see here your webhook is created and nice new hook already send messages. Okay, so guys, this is how you can create webhooks in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.